I really like this Mrs. Field cookies.
It's not Mrs. Fields, it's Doubletree Hilton cookies.
Yeah.
It's not the same thing. On the open Texas road, doing car rides with the Mutyalas, part 2, with 2 special guests, my uncle and aunt. If I can get my mom to stop gossiping back there for 2 minutes. Okay, who's sharing stories first? Actually, I asked people, they want to know about your arranged marriage. How did it go down?
My mom called me from
She can't put down the cookie for 1 minute.
If you want to hear my story, you
No, I want to hear your story. I want to hear your story. Tell me.
you have to listen.
Okay.
How I say. Daddy went to America when he was 18.
Oh, so dad was in America.
He finished his school here. He finished his undergraduate and he got a job and he came to marry in India. So
Okay.
he's looking for girls.
Multiple.
Multiple, because that's how it is. Whatever he likes, he's gonna choose. That's how it is.
That's crap.
That's the fact.
What about you? What about what you like?
I mean, if I don't like, I won't have to marry him. But I never thinking that I thought I'm going to study further there.
Daddy came with his friend to come meet you.
To my cousin house.
Okay.
They said, he came from America. He's looking for girls. It's good. I said, no. I'm not going to marry now. I want to study. But they said, you can study in America. I said, okay. He told me to stand and we measured.
Really?
Daddy is like 5'8", I'm 5'6".
So before you
He doesn't want to
decided...
be taller girl than him.
Wow, male ego problems.
He came with tennis shoes in the bedroom.
No.
Yes, you came with white shoes.
I never worked on missions. No.
I'm a second class. But when he asked me, I said, I think I got first class. I told him.
All the ladies.
So I'm a border of second class. He thinks I'm the border of brilliant gold medalist.
So now you're a genius and you're 5'7". And that's the 2 qualifications.
Yeah.
Wake up, Raj. We're telling your story.
Yeah, I'm listening. That's
say?
true.
Yeah. After that, daddy life is so rosy. Nothing wrong arranged marriages. That's the bottom line I'm trying to tell
Listen,
you.
there's a big difference between introducing and forcing, but looks like yours was just introducing.
Yeah, that's what we do now.
Nobody forces.
See, that's a myth then. I think people think you're forced into marriage.
No.
Never.
No, not even my mom's time.
Really?
Me, Peddamma, Mamaya, none of us is nobody forced. Even now, even if you want to introduce your generation, don't marry. That's the thing.
That's not true. You just need to pick better people. You just care about the good family, the good professions.
Did we force Monica? No.
No, you got lucky with that one. God bless. Thank
We're lucky
God.
with you too.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
We will be lucky with you. I know you're going to bring one nice Telugu boy.
Maya, make her stop.
No.
At least get the Indian boy. You don't have to be Telugu. But you don't try for Telugu.
I'm
Especially
focused.
for
I'm
girls.
busy. Daddy, tell her.
You are busy.
We're changing the topic. We're over it. We're over it. Moving on.
No, I have to tell one story about daddy.
Okay, go.
Daddy and Mangaraj Patnagar came when they were teenagers to this country.
Yes.
These two are like a Laurel and Hardy. They always like a jokers in the family. I mean, they don't know America, what the rules are, anything, right?
Right.
One day, these two are standing in the red light. They have to cross the road. It says on the light came, don't walk. When they say don't walk, he's just running on the road. Somebody pull him side. What are you doing, guy? He said that I'm not walking. He says don't walk, so I'm running.
Daddy. You're Raja Rao Mohan Chowdhury Mutyala.
Right.
Raja Ram Mohan Chowdhury
that's
Mutyala.
And then his brother's name is Veera Venkata Satyanarayana
Oh my
Murthy
God, you know all those
Mutyala.
things.
Yeah.
How come I remember that?
Okay.
But then there's Sam, whose name is Mangaraju, but one time he was on the call with, who was it? Some customer service, right?
Airlines. We call
On
it
the airlines.
And then he said, what's your name? He said, my name is Mangaraju. M like Mangaraju, A like Parao. he tell all Indian names. So they said, what man, what are you talking about?
She said, can we get somebody who can speak English?
He said, no, I want to change my name. And suddenly there is no other way. He just called Sam.
Tell the story about the root beer.
That's a good one, man. You know, when I was in India, they used to tell me that, Michigan is so cold. Yeah, when you have to drink beer or whiskey and everything to keep yourself. I went to the cafeteria. on the machine I saw root beer. In those days, it's only 10 cents. I said, oh my God, what a country. For 10 cents I can get a beer. So I dropped 10 cents and I got that beer. And I was thinking, I was drinking slowly because I don't want to get drunk. So then afterwards I thought I was drunk. So I said, I better not go to class. So I skipped that class.
So when you used to go on the toll roads and driving,
When I used to work, I have to take 3 tolls. Each toll is 75 cents those days.
Yeah.
I used to buy tokens. So each one is 75 cents. I used to put 3 quarters before. But after I got the tokens, I started putting on each toll 3 tokens.
Oh no!
3 tokens here, 3 tokens there. I did that like 2 months. One day, what happened? The toll gate is not working. So that guy is standing and taking the money. What I did is I put him in 3 tokens in his hand. This guy is running behind me.
Oh, that's nice of him.
It's nice of him. I thought I didn't give him enough money. That's why he's asking me.
No.
I was scared. I said, oh, I'm sorry. I thought I gave 3. He said, no, ma'am, not 3. Only 1. He said, no, I gave you 3. I gave you 3. I'm telling you. I feel so stupid.
Did Daddy yell at you?
You know what Daddy is saying? That's why I don't understand. Every week you come and my tolls are over. My tolls are over. Oh, Padma.
But good you told him.
Yeah. And that concludes this edition of Car Rides with Mutyalas. I'm going to take a nap so I don't have to hear about arranged marriages. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Raj.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye.
Anyone.
Bye.
Goodbye.